Well guys, Twisted Gravity, an S&S Screamin Swing is coming to Hersheypark next summer. So since my last update, Hershey is starting to dig where the floaters are going to go for this attraction. Yeah, this attraction is really impressive. I've loved that Triple Tower is up on a hill, and it makes the ride a lot taller than it actually is. Like Finnegan's Flyer at Busch Gardens Williamsburg isn't really that tall. But because Hershey is building this up on Kissing Tower Hill, it's going to feel a lot taller than it is. And this is actually going to be the tallest Screamin Swing, which is crazy. I believe it's like 137 feet. Insane. And I can't wait to like swing out over this area. They're going to be building a new pathway going all the way up to Overlook Food Court. Looks like they're going to be updating a little bit of the patio on the outside. So great seeing that come here. Supposedly also the air compressors are starting to arrive on set, so very exciting. Shouldn't be too much longer until we see this ride go vertical. I hope I don't eat those words like I did with Great Adventure. Coming up here by Overlook, they have this whole area flattened out, ready. Start installing. Part of this ride is going to hang over that like cliff drop right there, the hill, mound, berm, whatever you want to call it. So they're going to have to build the platform to come up all the way there, which is probably going to take a long time to build because it's a lot. But it's cool that you're going to be able to swing over this big berm and like come really close to where you're facing Spring Creek. One final look. Something I'm going to be bringing back during these Twisted Gravity updates that I haven't done since my Wildcats Revenge construction updates. It's let's go have a ride on the Kissing Tower. Our chariot has arrived.
Oh my God! That water one? Where's the comment? Where's the comment? Reese's Tower.
I think that's right there.
We're even bigger than the Hershey's Tower.
Look, there's Wildcats Revenge. There's the monorail. Look, see, that's where
Where you go around?
Look at all those cars.
There's the Great Bear.
Yeah, like the walk. Where?
Let's see a water
Yeah, I know. Let's see what
trees. No. Can we?
A great day for rides up here in Kissimmee Tower Hill. Coal Cracker is getting a knee back, and Great Bear just stopped. Going over the new ride, it looks like, so here's that new path I was telling you guys about. It's going to go all the way back up to Overlook. Then I guess you're going to have all the mechanisms of the ride contained within this building. Operator control booth. And then I'm guessing this is going to be the queue line going back up to the ride and coming back down. So, yep, pretty cool. Tallest Screamin Swing in the world, 137 feet, 68 miles per hour. It's going to be an amazing ride, and finally a Twizzlers ride in this park. Fortunately, Skyview is pretty much down for the rest of the season. It looks like, as that's probably going to interfere with construction if they decide to reopen it. So yeah, if you come to Hersheypark, don't count on that ride being open. I'm waiting to get this all season, and I'll tell you guys, it is really good. Yeah, amazing, super duper juicer, themed after the coaster that got me into roller coasters. Amazing. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it from this week's Twisted Gravity construction up there. I hope you all enjoyed it. Great progress that they're doing. I'm really excited for the ride if I wasn't already. I love how they're working into the hillside of Hershey Gardens. It's really just gonna be stunning in this park's lineup. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PA&J Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.